This is the fabric we'll be using for the waistband, already cut to match the waist circumference of the pants. In this case, we have 44 inches long and 6 inches width. Set this aside for now. For the elastic, make it 5 inches shorter than your actual waist measurement. The waist here is 30 inches, so the elastic is 25 inches. For the rope, you can make it as long as 60 inches and 1.5 inches wide. We will also need grommets for one of the hole methods. Fold the waistband fabric in half lengthwise. Mark a 0.5 inch line from the top and bottom edges. Find the center of the band from each line. Then open the fabric flat. Now fold widthwise and fold the bottom open edge in by 0.5 inch. Now locate the middle. From that center point, measure 0.5 inch to each side. This is where the grommet and buttonhole will go. To reinforce the area for the rope holes, iron interfacing on the wrong side. For the grommet part, fold one side in 4, snip the area, then use a rivet machine to fix the grommet in place. For more details about this, check the tagged video. For the buttonhole, stitch a buttonhole in the marked spots. Use a seam ripper or an appropriate tool to open up the hole. To sew the waistband, fold it lengthwise and stitch a straight line of 0.5 inch. Then fold it widthwise and stitch around the bottom edge by 0.5 inch. Leaving a small opening unstitched for inserting the elastic. Stitch a second line 0.5 inch above the first one. Below the top fold, stitch all the way around by 0.75 inch. This will now form the elastic channel in the middle. Pass your elastic through the channel using the opening you left earlier. Make sure the elastic is not twisted, then stitch the ends together with a 0.75 inch and then top stitch over to reinforce. Now go ahead to close up the opening. To secure the elastic and form a rope channel, stitch another seam line but stretch the elastic as you sew to keep the fabric and the elastic even. To finish the rope, triple fold it by 0.5 inch and top stitch. Fold in the ends neatly or attach squared tips as shown in part 2 of this series. Now pass the rope through the channel and adjust the length as needed. And that's it. So with this tutorial, I hope I have been able to convince you and not confuse you that making a rope hold waistband isn't rocket science. You either go with the buttonhole stitch or the grommet. If this tutorial was helpful, do drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.